Now we've dealt with Twitter and TweetDeck, it's obvious that we need to, some people want to find out how to check how many people have clicked on their tweets. And there's a couple of programs, Bitly, but we're actually going to use the Google URL shortener. So what this program does is shortens the URL so that it creates a custom URL, so that when it's clicked, Google actually takes a recording of how many people have clicked on this particular URL. And by doing this, we're able to record any movements or any visits through that click on Twitter. It's a very good program because it'll actually tell you what country it came from and everything. But here we go, we'll click on this. So Rise Social Media, we'll copy the URL. Now we're going to go to Twitter, and we're just going to type in a little promotional tweet. So this is my personal profile. In the promotional tweet then, we're going to talk about Twitter for Business, and just talk about presentation that we're going to do in the Ramada Hotel. And then we're going to include this link to it, this shortened link. This shortened link will then be, once it's clicked, we'll be able to bring people to our website and be able to track how many people clicked it, over what date, what browser they used, which country they came from, and of course be able to compare it to our Google Analytics then. So here's the URL that we copied, and we've brought it in. Now we're just going to tweet it. And there we go. So we've done our hashtag, Twitter for Business, presentation Ramada Hotel at 6 PM. I look forward to seeing you there. Right. Now that's what we're going to do. We're going to click on it just to prove it's worked, and it's brought us through the Rise Social Media. Just like that, just means the link is working. Now so what we're going to do is we're going to go to our shortener, and here we have the added to history. So if we click on the added to history part, we get brought in, and we see that this one added a few seconds ago. Well, that was just when we clicked, but this one added 2 minutes ago. That one click was us. And as you can see, it's from Ireland. I was using a Chrome browser, and it's from my Macintosh computer. And there it is in the timescale and the traffic sources. And that is basically how this works. And of course it generates a QR code for you, just the URL. And this is excellent data once you're trying to kind of estimate, is Twitter bringing in the traffic to your website. And so we have this previous one as well, and we can refer back to it. It happened 5 days ago. We can see that we got visits from the United Kingdom, United States. One came from an iPhone, so you see the mobile browser, and I think it was from the United Kingdom. So that's very handy information that we need to know about. And thank you for listening anyway, and I hope you now know how to track your tweets.